love this trio. They like watching TV. Their favorite color, red. Favorite TV show, What Else Have You Got? Favorite actor is Sarah Geronimo. They like kind people. They dislike Celia. Their favorite food is spaghetti, and their ambition in life is to be a teacher, to become a teacher someday. My dear ladies and gentlemen, our first baby princess, Leah Lynn Destura Guzman. Palakpakan po tayo dyan.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our Renato is also called as June June. He was born on June 26, 2002. He is 8 years old. His mother is Elsa Domestic Rioner. His father is Renato Maquilan Rioner Sr. He likes to play computer games. His favorite colors are blue, green, and white. His favorite foods are hot dog, chicken, and chicken. His favorite TV shows are Itbulaga and Pokemon. His favorite actress is Marian Rivera and favorite actor Don Revilla. He likes going to school every day. He dislikes being annoyed or yung inaaway ng mga kaklase niya. His motto in life is patience is virtue. Friends, let us welcome our little king, Renato Tomaso Greener Jr. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Yung mas malakas ka po, meron ka bang ilalakas dyan?
And now, my dear ladies and gentlemen, our baby queen 2012 is none other than Aya Bianca Micaela Durotayo. Aya Bianca, that's her friend cousin Aya. She was born on April 24, 2001 at Paranaque City. She was 9 years old now. Her mother is Arnie Durotayo. Her habits range steadily to Facebook, Kulturan, and in my junior iPhone. Her favorite color is white because simplicity is favorite. She likes High School Musical and Glee of TV shows, and her favorite actress is Vanessa Ann Hutchins. I like most those who are honest and always true to themselves. It is like haters. So, my dear ladies and gentlemen, isang masigabong palakpakan po para kay Aya Bianca Micaela
na honorable kasatuyang Sangguniang Bayan, sinman po, nagkabosman po na tao na lalong-lalo na sa mga taga-digdi na haloy tabi dahil nag-uli pero alagad ani unsang niya nabanggit. Mga magurang, sakulaon ang sakuyang pasasalamat sa kunday kabi kamo.
Dito to our first little prince, Byron Plastado Angeles. May we call out the proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald B. Angeles, to please do the honors to pin the sash to Cyron Angeles. Mr. and Mrs. Renato G. Rioner Sr.
Pin the sash to our Baby Queen 2012, Aya Blair.
Former Great Grand, Cyron John Angeles. And to crown our little king 2012, may we call on Mr. Romy Dumatic and Salvacion Dumatic. To please. What? Mr. Robbie Dumatic and Salvacion Dumatic.
Mare-repair ang satuya na simbahan. So, dakulaon na pagpapahiling nin pakikoperar kan lamang sarong iti satuya sa sanawan. Sana po, bako lang unyan na taon na ini, ng selebrasyon niya to, kung hilingon mo, iyon na ini ang pinakamugma. Sana sa mga maabot na taon, so iba naman na may mga aki na iritoon duman medyo nakaarapin so makaambag man, makaaro kay ningunyan naranion sa satuyang atubangan. Asin siring man maski sa mga naranion lang na nag-i-restart na nagrelakaw, dahil po sinda nagduwa-duwa na makikooperar, ibuluntad ang sa indang mga aki, may pahiling lang na igwa kita kimang kamauutan na mapagayon ang okasyon na ini, asin igwa kita ning kamauutan na mapakarhayan sa tuwa.
On behalf of Ma'am Susana Niederland, we have Mr. Kevin Iwanay. And to award the trophy to our first Philippines The father of the Trophy Sarada Honorable Joel P. Dorilio,